It was requested from the group that we talk about talent acquisition in the Great Resignation. And while Kim and I do not possess the expertise that PathShare and Sally and Denise bring, we certainly have 20 years of experience as hiring leaders, and a lot of the best practices and techniques that PathShare consults with office technology providers like you were successful techniques that have been implemented at GreatAmerica. So we're going to spend a little bit of time in the beginning talking about those trends, and then the second half we're going to talk about industry trends, right? What's happening today? What are you guys looking for in the future? And then solutions that we bring to the table that can support the short-term needs and then the long-term needs. And then get some ideas from you. What more should we be thinking about, right? What should we be working on next? So when you think about the talent acquisition funnel, you've got sourcing, assessing, hiring, and retaining as the four critical parts of that. I'm going to share a few best practices coming from GreatAmerica, primarily around the sourcing piece and the retaining, and then touching on the assessing. And so when you think about filling that funnel and the sourcing, right, there's no silver bullet to this. It's something that has to be, you have to focus on it, you have to invest time and resources to make sure you're constantly focusing on it. And one of the things that we highly encourage, if you don't do this, is that you have an 18-month rolling plan, right? Thinking about the hires that you need today, the potential positions that you'll be creating in the next 18 months, and then how are you going to keep that funnel full for those unexpected resignations that you receive.